let's do a quick review of all the routes it provides. Going back to my gist here in GitHub. By the way, again, if you want to take a look at this gist, you can go to my gist profiles, nbkhope, gist.github.com/nbkhope, and you can click sales blueprint rest. And here are the ones we learned. We learned these guys here. So we learn how to get a list of resources, and that maps to define controller action. We learn how to get a specific resource, and that maps to the find one controller action. So we learned how to create a resource using post/resource, which maps to the controller.create action. Okay, so these actions are all automatically generated by the Blueprint API, and you will not see them written explicitly in the controller file. The controller file is going to be empty, as we can see if we go to API/controller/company controller. You can see there's nothing there, but actually there's something going on behind the scenes. All right. And to update a resource using put, which is mapped to the update controller action. Then finally we saw that you can also delete a resource at /resource/its ID, and it maps to the destroy controller action. Okay, so these controller actions are all provided by the Blueprint API. If you want to override them and customize them, you can always do so. Just define these actions in the controller file. For example, just a brief example, if you would like to change the behavior of the controller action, so if you did a post/resource and it's going to go to controller set.create, but you don't want it to go through the Blueprint API, so you can override that if you go to the editor, and you can define here create in the company controller file, okay, and define your controller as so, and that is going to automatically override, and it's going to use your definition instead of the behind the scenes definition. Okay, so just that. So this is it. That's it for this lecture. We learned about the Blueprint REST routes, the controller actions, and see you next time. Bye.